So surprisingly not bad acceleration. It's not fast, but it gets up. We're gonna give it some throttle here. So it definitely has the merging power. And I mean, for a good cheap car, the ride quality is not bad at all if you have a 30-50 mile commute from work. And for this kind of car, it is very small, but I'm not being blown all over the road. And ride quality is honestly is good for this kind of car. But I like how simple everything is to use on here. It's easy to drive. Controls are easy to use. And if you're on a budget, really good car. And definitely gets really good gas mileage. And one thing I'll say is, off the line, the pedal is touchy, which I kind of like. Because when you put your foot down, it will go. And the brake pedal just takes a little getting used to. You have to put it down quite a bit initially, but it makes it less jerky when you're hitting the brakes. And really not all that loud in here, surprisingly, as the cars drive past me. And I don't hear any weird wind noises coming in or any intrusive sounds from the road. And like I said before, this has just a little under 106,000 miles, so that's pretty impressive. And even like quality control things, like the steering wheel isn't overly worn. Everything seems to be in really good shape. Everything seems to work in here. like I said before, it's just so easy to drive. And this will bring me to an end of my review of the 2010 Toyota Corolla LE.